Given secant x equals 3 over 2, cosecant y equals 3, x and y in quadrant 1, find the exact value of tan of x plus y. So let's start with the information given to us. Convert everything to sine and cosine. Secant x is the reciprocal of cos. So if secant x is 3 over 2, cos x will be 2 over 3. And cosecant y is the reciprocal of sine. So if cosecant y is 3, sine y will be 1/3. And we need to find the exact value of tan of x plus y. Now what we need is the formula for tan of x plus y. Tan of x plus y is this fraction where the numerator is tan x plus tan y and the denominator is 1 minus tan x tan y. So from these two pieces of information, I need to get these quantities. Well, if you are given cos x, what you want to do is draw a right triangle that will follow that information. So draw a right triangle, call one of the acute angles as x, and cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So this is adjacent is 2, hypotenuse is 3, and get the other side. You can use Pythagorean theorem. So square this, you get 9, square this, you get 4, and you subtract 9 minus 4, you get 5. So this would be square root of 5. Now similarly, use this information to get one other right triangle. So sine y, so I'm going to call this angle as y, and sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So this is opposite and that's hypotenuse. So opposite should be 1. So that means this leg is 1 and this is 3. And again, from the Pythagorean theorem, 9 minus 1 is 8. So you get square root 8 for this leg. So now we are in a position to figure out tan of x plus y, because now we can get all the trig functions for both angles x and y. So what is tan x? Tan is opposite over adjacent. So opposite is square root 5 over 2. Adjacent is 2. And for tan y, I have to come here and I get 1 over square root of 8. And in the denominator, I'm going to write 1 minus square root 5 over 2 times 1 over square root 8. All right, so now we have a complex fraction where the numerator is adding these two fractions. So let me go ahead and draw a big line. And the numerator is, we have to combine these two fractions. We can cross multiply. So how do you add two fractions? You can cross multiply. Root 5 times root 8 is root 40 plus 2 times 1 is 2. So that's how you get your numerator. Denominator is simply the product of those two, which is 2 root 8. And here, well, we have to first multiply this. So this is going to be square root 5 over 2 root 8. But we can think of this as 1 over 1. And we can subtract. So again, we cross multiply. 1 times 2 root 8 is just 2 root 8. Minus 1 times root 5 is root 5 over 2 root 8. So now that the denominator is, for both numerator and denominator, I have to divide by 2 root 8, which means I can actually get rid of that. So what's my final answer? It's this one, square root 40 plus 8 divided by 2 root 8 minus root 5.